If you want to justify text in Photopea so it lines up evenly along both the left and right margins, there's one important thing you need to know first. You cannot do it with normal point text. You must use a paragraph text box. In this video, I'll show you the exact steps to justify text in Photopea quickly and correctly, so by the end, you'll be able to format your text like a pro. And if this tutorial helps you out, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more simple Photopea tips and editing guides. Alright, let's get straight into it. First, open Photopea and make sure your project is ready. On the left side, select the Type tool, which is the T icon. Now, instead of just clicking once on the canvas, click and drag to create a rectangular text box. This part is really important because if you only click and start typing, Photopea creates point text, and point text cannot be justified properly. Once you've drawn your text box, type your text or paste in the content you want to format. You can use this for paragraphs, captions, descriptions, poster text, or any block of writing that needs a clean, professional layout. If the text is already in your document, just make sure the text layer is selected in the Layers panel before moving on. Now, to access the full justification settings, go up to the top menu and click Window, then choose Paragraph. This opens the paragraph panel, usually on the right side of the screen. If you don't see it right away, don't worry, it may just be tucked away with your other panels. Inside the paragraph panel, you'll see several text alignment and paragraph options. What you're looking for are the justify icons at the bottom. These are shown as small horizontal lines, and each one controls how the text stretches across the paragraph box. The first option is justify left. This makes both margins line up evenly, but the last line stays aligned to the left. This is a good choice if you want a classic paragraph look with a natural ending line. The second option is justify center. This also justifies the lines, but the final short line is centered. This can look cleaner for some layouts, especially in design work where symmetry matters. The third option is justify right. This aligns the final line to the right while still keeping the rest of the paragraph justified. It's less common, but it can be useful depending on your layout. And the fourth option is justify all. This forces every line, including the very last line, to stretch from the left edge all the way to the right edge. This creates the most uniform block of text, but you should use it carefully because it can sometimes make spacing look a little too stretched. So the main idea is simple. Use the Type tool, create a paragraph text box, open the paragraph panel, and then click the justify style that matches your design. If the text doesn't justify, the number one reason is usually that you used point text instead of a paragraph box. That's the mistake most beginners run into. If you want to adjust the look even more, you can also tweak the size of the text box since the width of the box affects how the text wraps and justifies. A wider box usually creates smoother paragraph spacing, while a narrower box creates more line breaks. Now that you know how to justify text in Photopea, you can make your designs look much more polished and professional in just a few clicks. If this video helped, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Photopea tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.